Hello learners, it's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to find the factors of a number to determine if it is a prime or composite number. Do you remember what are factors? Consider a given number, x. A factor of x is a number that divides x exactly. In this video, we will find the factors of a number by forming arrays using cubes. After we find the factors of a number, we can determine if it is a prime or composite number. It is a prime number if it has only two factors, 1 and itself. If it has more than two factors, it is a composite number. Let's find the factors of 1. We start with 1 cube. How many arrays can we form using 1 cube? There is only one way to arrange 1 cube. In this array, there is 1 row and 1 column. So, 1 is the only factor of the number 1. This means that it is not a prime or composite number. Now, let's use 2 cubes to find the factors of 2. In this array, there is 1 row and 2 columns. So, 1 and 2 are factors of 2. We can also arrange 2 cubes in another way. Here, there are 2 rows and 1 column. There is no other arrays we can form with 2 cubes. This means that the only factors of 2 are 1 and 2. So, is 2 a prime number or composite number? Pause and discuss with your friends. Since it has only 2 factors, 1 in itself, the number 2 is a prime number. Now, let's use 3 cubes to find the factors of 3. In this array, there is 1 row and 3 columns. So, 1 and 3 are factors of 3. We can also arrange 3 cubes in this way. Here, there are 3 rows and 1 column. There is no other arrays we can form with 3 cubes. This means that the only factors of 3 are 1 and 3. So, is 3 a prime number or composite number? Pause and discuss with your friends. Since it has only 2 factors, 1 in itself, the number 3 is also a prime number. Now, let us find the factors of 9. In this array, there is 1 row and 9 columns. So, 1 and 9 are factors of 9. We can also arrange 9 cubes to form another array. In this array, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So, 3 is also a factor of 9. There is no other arrays we can form with 9 cubes. This means that the factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. So, is 9 a prime number or composite number? Pause and discuss with your friends. Since it has more than 2 factors, 9 is a composite number. Now, let us find the factors of one last number, 12. In this array, there is 1 row and 12 columns. So, 1 and 12 are factors of 12. We can also arrange 12 cubes to form another array. In this array, there are 2 rows and 6 columns. So, 2 and 6 are also factors of 12. Now, there is one more array we can form with 12 cubes. In this array, there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So, 3 and 4 are also factors of 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Is 12 a prime number or composite number? pause and discuss with your friends. Since 12 has more than 2 factors, it is a composite number. Today we have learned how to find the factors of a number by forming arrays and determine if it is a prime or composite number. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.